What's up, guys? It's Logan
and Madi.
Some of your favorite Xyngular sisters in the house.
So you asked and Xyngular delivered. We are so excited because today we get to take you through an unboxing of the standalone flagship 8-day that Xyngular just released.
So the first thing we want to get into is, why should you do this with your best friend? Why should you do this with your sister? Why should you do this with your mom? Do not do this kit alone. Save some money, find an accountability partner, have more fun, and do this with someone else.
Okay, well, I don't know about you, but if she got one of these by herself and didn't tell me she was about to do it, I would personally be pissed.
Yeah, same.
If you got this box, lost up to 15 pounds in 8 days, and never told me about it, we wouldn't be cool. Not a true friend. All right, you guys, let's dive into this box. You guys, look at how beautiful this is. Can we just take a second to admire the aesthetic and how freaking cute this stuff is?
Yes. So now we want to get right into it. You bought your kit, you grabbed your accountability partner. What is next?
What's the tea, sis? What's in the box? 6 steps for your whole entire day. And if you didn't hear me earlier, you lose up to 15 pounds in 8 days following these 6 simple steps. 8 days, that's all it takes.
So number 1, your box comes in, you're gonna scan this QR code because we are up to date in the house. We are tech savvy now. So you are gonna scan this QR code. This is gonna link you to all of the resources that you're going to need start to finish with your 8-day, from how to measure, to what to eat, to what all of these products even do.
Tons of recipes, so much support, a link to a Facebook group where you get daily coaching. It honestly doesn't get any better.
So much more than a box. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
It's gonna blow your mind how simple this is. It's literally 6 easy steps that you do for 8 days in a row, and you're gonna be down up to 15 pounds and feel.
Number 1, the first product in your box and the first thing you're going to be putting in your body out of the box is our chocolate lean. I do them after my workouts, but if you don't work out, no problem. Just have this be the first thing that you put in your body every day.
Okay, so up next with your mid-morning snack, you're just going to crack one of these babies open. I literally call this sunshine in a capsule. I take it and literally in 15 to 20 minutes, you just feel like you're walking on sunshine. And your mood is amazing, and your appetite is suppressed, and your energy is just so clean and clear, like all day long. No jitters, no crash. It is the best.
Lunchtime rolls around and it's time for you to open your little coral packet, and inside of your coral packet is Accelerate. This is the #1 fat burner on the entire market. You guys, this is mindless. You don't even think about it.
Where'd mine go?
In the box.
Next, after your lunch, you're just gonna open this, grab a trim stick, #1 weight loss, weight management product of the year. It's patented, it's freaking delicious. All you're gonna do, take it out, dump it in your water.
Friends, don't let friends drink trim sticks alone. Before dinner, I'm not even going to talk about it. I'm going to be about it.
Oh, okay.
Just,
This tastes like a freaking cherry Starburst.
I don't think we're allowed to say Starburst.
Why would we not be allowed to say Starburst?
It's a brand. It's
It
trademarked.
tastes like a cherry Starburst.
So dinner rolls around. I've popped my Resist in my mouth. Drink it with a glass of water. And this is going to keep me from overeating, which no one wants to be doing, especially around dinner time when we're going to sleep after.
And does something ever just taste so good it just makes you want to dance? Okay, so then the last step in your day before you go hit the hay is you're gonna pop 2 flush. It's a super gentle cleanse. So grab a buddy, save some money, do yourself a favor, and get you an 8-day kit.
Bye, guys.